Short video here today. I got to change the steering box in this truck. This is the axle swap truck that was in one of my other videos. As you can see, the steering box is already out of here. So I've tried conical pullers for these things, and about the only good thing that works with these is this guy. Now that's a chunk of iron there. So if you guys are looking for a good Pitman arm puller for the 05 and up trucks, definitely recommend. So got our little 600 foot-pound Milwaukee here with an 1 1/8 socket. Done. Take this apart for you so you can see. There it is, off. I've fought with these before with the cone style. Don't even try it with the cheap little jaw style, they don't work. So, highly recommend that. In case you want to know what it takes to get 350 foot-pounds on this, including the torque adapter, you need a 4-foot long torque wrench. There it is.